Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, my husband and I didn't want to get a trash can because we didn't want it to have it hanging around on the floor. So we didn't want to deal with that. So I went ahead and found these from Odisen, and they are portable trash bag holder. So that is awesome. I love that they are super simple to use. All you got to do is put your plastic bag on it, clip it, and it brings a lid. How awesome is that? So you can put it in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your bedroom. In our case, we have it in our kitchen and in the office, and it has been great. I love that it is off the floor, which is what was actually worrying us, that we didn't want to have a trash can on the floor. So it is off the floor, and it is so simple to use. So again, if you are looking for a portable trash bag holder that it is very low maintenance and very easy to use, I will definitely recommend these ones from Odisen. But hey, that is just my point of view.